Michelle. Thanks for joining me. We're going to open day 16 of our Advent calendar for 2024. I can't wait, so let's get started. I've got my day number 16 here, and I'm ready to rip it open. All right, we've got another die today. So this is a word die, or a couple of words. You can see there, I'll hold it certainly. It says hip hip hooray. Love it. So we can add that to some fun happy birthday dies. You could also use this for like graduations, anytime you're celebrating and you want to say hooray. That's a really fun word die. Thanks so much again for joining me. We just opened day 16. We got a fun word die. I can't wait to use it on a card. I hope you are going to create some cards with it, and I hope you'll share with us too. So until tomorrow, have a good evening and take care.